All right, today is an exciting day. I got my last two Captains of Crush grippers. I now have the full set. I got the Sport and the number 3. So I'm gonna do some attempts. I'm feeling pretty good about the Sport. These got lost in the mail, went to a different post office box, which was kind of silly, but that's how it goes, I guess. So, here's the Sport, in between the guide and the trainer. Oh no, this is the Sport. Okay, here we go, Sport. Yeah, like I need to prove that it's the Sport, whatever, who cares. So anyway, ooh, very nice. That is so nice. I'll probably use this one a lot. I like the guide for warming up the old forearms, but it's kind of a little bit light. And then the trainer's good. I mean, I can make it move pretty fast, but it's like a little bit harder. This is pretty nice. I have to oil that spring. It's kind of a little bit squeaky, isn't it? Oh yeah. So I've been managing to get some decent closes on the 2.5 when I'm feeling good. I can't do it consistently though. So I don't imagine I'll be able to make the 3 touch, but we'll see. You never know. Miracles happen sometimes. Okay. Feeling good. Number 3. Look at that. See? Number 3. That's it. Right there. These things are fun. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Number 3. I didn't film the unboxing of my 3.5 or number 4 because it wouldn't have been very exciting. They're so hard. Like, oh man. But, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should I try it without chalk first? Yeah, probably. Just to disappoint myself the very most. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. It's pretty hard. Feels pretty hard. No, lefty. Poor old lefty. My better arm wrestling arm, but my weaker grip arm hand. Okay. I'm gonna get this thing. Just you wait. A few months. Next year. Whenever. Let's try it with some chalk, shall we? Shall we? Oh yeah. Number 3. There it is again. With the chalk, with the chalk. Yeah. That's a pretty hard. Until next time. Oh, wait. I was going to update on my nail bending. Okay. This is the 60D nail. Common Bright. It's more bent than last time. Look at that. I bent it a little bit more. It's gonna happen. I'm just chipping away at that sucker. But one day, be able to do it in a couple seconds. No problem.